Hey everybody, it is Dr. Michael Tattonetti with Professional Pricing Society, and today I'm excited to talk with you a bit about our workshop offerings that are coming up at our 30th annual fall conference being held in Las Vegas this October 15th through 18th. So the workshops are full day trainings that we have on the first 2 days, so October 15th and 16th, and each workshop is 5 hours in length. So it's a full day workshop with one or two experts in that area that are going to be hands-on and kind of teach from a case study or hands-on approach, and very activity-based, so that you can walk away with some new knowledge and tips and tools to take back to the office. So in total, we have 12 workshops. I want to tell you a bit about them so that you're familiar, but we have full information on our website at pricingsociety.org. If you go to conferences and then fall conference, at the very top right by the countdown, you'll see the brochure link, and it has a full one-page description for each of these 12. So our 12 workshops, we have core pricing skills, which is going to go over the basics of pricing and is perfect for anyone who's new to pricing or got thrown into pricing and don't know what they're doing. We have one on leveraging analytics in B2B. We have a workshop on how to build a product or service around your price, so working with product management from the very beginning to determine the value proposition. We have one on demystifying the power and application of machine learning and AI for pricing. So what does machine learning and AI look like? We have our final one on Tuesday is pricing and corporate strategy, so if you're a bit more seasoned. And then on Wednesday, our workshops are why the customer experience is the new battleground in B2B. So basically allowing that to be the differentiator, especially if you're in a commoditized area, so that that customer experience becomes the value driver of why your customers would pick you. We have one on negotiation skills for pricing and sales to battle procurement. We have one on pricing with a new perspective, you going beyond internal data basically to maximize your profits. We have a great one on building a world-class subscription offer that was done at our last conference and went over very, very well. We have partnering with sales for price execution, which is excellent. And we also have our final two best practices in digital pricing models if you're going more digital, especially B2B, and then one on change management. So again, for our more advanced senior crowd. So we have a workshop there for just about any level or where you're at in your pricing journey. The other great thing is each of these workshops count as one CPP credit. So in order to earn the CPP or the Certified Pricing Professional designation, you would earn 6 credits, so you can earn up to 2 here in Las Vegas, and then you can earn your other 4 online or join us at our 2020 conferences as well. So we hope to see you in Las Vegas. Again, I believe there's definitely something here for everybody. If you missed last week's live, we talked about the breakout, so make sure to check that out as well. Otherwise, you can start following along on social media, and we are talking about the event with hashtag PPSVegas19, or visit us at pricingsociety.com to get more information on our upcoming conferences. We look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas. Have a great day.